Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Plymouth Cuda with a 440 and a torque flight automatic transmission. This one was in limelight, which one of the high impact colors that Plymouth had back in 1970. Tell you what, it caught your eye about a mile away, as bright as it was. Definitely won't lose it in a parking lot, that's for sure. It had the automatic transmission, the bucket seats with a console, had the chrome exhaust tips, a vinyl top, a few other things that I probably missed. Like I said, it was definitely an attention grabber, that's for sure. If you wanted to get attention, this is definitely one of the colors to get. Speaking of the colors, did a little research on the internet. There's one website did a breakdown of the colors, and they're accounting for just about 90% of the cars that were made. And of all the Barracudas and Cudas, they're saying approximately 5% were limelight, which would be about 2,547 vehicles. So if you had another 10% to that, less than 3,000 of them were this color. So it's pretty rare in with any engine combination on any of the cars that had the high impact color of limelight. So it makes it a pretty rare bird. As far as the Barracuda goes, 1970, that was the first year for the new design for the Barracuda. And then the Cuda model was the high performance version. You get that with the 340, the 383, the 440, and then the Hemi, of course. As far as production numbers go, they didn't make too many of them. And as usual with numbers and percentages and all that jazz, don't get too wired up. It's just all what the experts said on the internet and some other numbers that I found on there. So none of them are cast in stone. They're all just somebody's guesstimate or best guess. Let's put it that way. But they said that there were 48,867 total Plymouth Barracuda production for 1970. And out of that, 16,710 were Cuda hardtop coupes, 548 Cuda convertibles. And this one being a 440 4-barrel automatic, they made 618 automatic 440 4-barrels in the coupe hardtop and 28 convertibles with the 440 4-barrel automatic. Even with the 4-speed, they only made 334 hardtop coupes with the 440 4-barrel and 6 convertibles. So it's a rare bird no matter how you slice it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Plymouth Cuda 440 4-barrel with torque flight automatic that was restored beautifully, that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.